hitting the Finesse shot in FC24 is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can hit that Finesse shot in FC24. So what is FC24? FC is FIFA's latest game. Last year it was FIFA 23, but now they have changed the name to FC. Now from now on you will be getting the games with the name FC, FC24, FC25. So how you guys can hit the Finesse shot? Let's talk about what the Finesse shot actually is. Finesse shot is actually a curve shot in which the ball doesn't go in a straight way. It gives a little rotation. So how you guys can hit it? Knowing these controls is pretty easy. If you go to your settings and control settings in your FIFA 24 or your FC24, you guys will be able to see this option. Now here you guys can see this option, which is Finesse shot, which is by pressing the RB key and B keys for the Finesse shot. But for the PS controller, it should be R1 and the circle key. So let me tell you where these keys are located. Now here you guys can see we have a controller right here. So I'm going to teach you what exactly keys I'm talking about. So this is actually the RB key and this is actually the B key. You just need to hold this key and press this key to hit the Finesse shot. It is an easy procedure. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can hit a Finesse shot in FC24. Hope you guys find this video helpful.